step up with dumbbells. This exercise it's a lot harder than it looks, and it's working single leg. So if there's any imbalances, if one leg's stronger than the other, this is going to really help to even that out. So what you want to do is set up a step that's either around the same height as your knee or a little bit lower. That will just depend on, you know, how strong you are at this stage. And then what we're going to do is grab onto some dumbbells, go onto the edge of the step, slightly turn your toes out, but once you do that, you want to make sure that your knee stays out over your toes. With this exercise, it is quite common that your knee drops in, so just be really conscious of that. What we want to do is drive up 100% through this leg that's on the step. So when you come up for this, make sure that you're coming off your heel on your bottom foot. So we're going to drive up nice and strong, and then your first number of your tempo represents when you're lowering down, which is quite tough. So in order to go down slow, what you need to do is tip your body forward, keep that control, and then push back up again. So it will be quite tempting to drive off this leg, but what you really want to do is concentrate the work through the leg that's up on the step, and it's an amazing exercise. As I said before, will really help to balance out your strengths.